In this video, we are going to install car interior ambient lighting that have color chasing effect with footwell lights. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. They come with a total of 204 inches acrylic LED strips. They are bendable and you can cut them as well to fit your needs. It features RGBIC color changing and can do a chasing effect. They are 1.17 millimeters thin, has a high brightness with low power consumption. It comes with 4 footwell lights and a couple extensions. This is your main controller with your cable. The cable does have a touch sensor. You connect this cable to one end of your main controller, and these two go to your power supply and your ground. On the top end is where you connect your LED strip. It has built-in Bluetooth and is app controlled. You can download the app here. The app is called Magic Lantern. It comes with 4 sub-control box and some wires which you can connect to your door. Comes with adhesive tape and a trim tool. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. I have 2 strips that I'm going to use. I went ahead and placed one strip up here. I just tucked it in the top and I fed the wire under this panel. You can lift the panel up and then I fed it through. It comes out right here. And the second strip is from here. I tucked it in all the way and I went around the steering column, and I'm gonna tuck it in under here, and I'm gonna use tape just to hold it in place. And then when I put the cover back on, I'm gonna pinch it in between so it stays. And here's the main control board. I have one of the lines, one of the strips connected, and the second one, this one right here, is also connected. This is the power and the ground for the main control board. I went ahead and just ran the wire under here. I connected it to a USB. I bought a separate USB wire and I connected it under there to a USB power supply. I'm gonna plug that right here. And this one, I have your footwell lights. I tucked in through here. I have 2 going to the driver's side, one for the front and one for the back. And the other 2 going to the passenger side, one for the front and one for the back, footwell lights. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the wiring and put the trim panels back into place. I got all the wires cleaned up. I put all the trim pieces back into place. Now let's go ahead and give it a test. The strips work nice. There's your footwell lights. Footwell lights in the rear, excuse the mess. Now we download the Magic Lantern app and we connect it with your Bluetooth. There it is right there. Make sure you have a link that's not broken. That means it's connected. And then we can start changing the colors. Here is your color wheel. And you have some preset colors. You have different modes that have the nice chasing effect. I have it in auto. You have magic forward, magic back, gradually changing. You have a lot. You have about 47 different options. This is in your basic. You have a curtain effect. You have another 20 different options. Trans. Water. You have your flow. Tail. Run. Run back. And we're gonna go back to the basic. I just like your standard autoplay or just blue color. You have the option to play it through music. You have the option to change it with sound. And you can schedule. That's your basic app function.
If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.